to congratulate Bendel Insurance for the 2 matches they have played so far, with a win and the draw we had this weekend in Ibadan. For me, that draw was like a win. And also want to congratulate the Edo Queens. So far, I think you played 3 matches with 2 wins, right? I want to also congratulate you. I want to say that today's retreat is all about learning again and sharpening our knowledge, and also programming our mind to the new Edo spirit. New Edo spirit of discipline, focus, and determination to bring our best to the development of our state. Mr. Governor is very clear about what we want to achieve in Edo State. One of the things, and the most important thing we want to achieve with you, when I mean you, we youth, is to make us all skilled. For sport, you know, sport is one unifying game in the whole world, no matter how bad it is. Just recently, I watched on CNN, Syria. You know what is happening in Syria for the past years. But during the World Cup qualifying series, all those gunshots, all those bombs that you always hear or watch on TV, they all were thing of the past during those times that those football matches were on. So you can see if president like Trump, Putin, and other top nations cannot stop war that is going on in Syria, but just 90 minutes of football, everywhere was a standstill. That will tell you the power of sport. For Bendel Insurance, we know that it's a rebranded Bendel Insurance that we have today. And the whole world is bearing testimony to the fact that we now have a brand new Bendel Insurance. And your game so far has further encouraged other stakeholders to see the need to come and invest in you. And investing in you is investing in the future of Edo State. For Edo Queen, we are already on the process of also rebranding you. Mr. Governor has also approved that what is going on in Bendel Insurance now must start also in Edo Queen. And I want to assure you that we are very soon start a process to also get you to the level of Bendel Insurance, because next season we will not expect anything different from what is happening in Bendel Insurance presently. This season we will try to manage you all through and make sure that all your matches you play them and all your entitlement you get. But next year, be rest assured that we'll have a brand new, rebranded Edo Queen.
If you must continually gain money and revenues to run the club, it is what you do, how you brand, that will encourage investors and customers to invest in it. People may call us Benin Arsenal because of how we play, but we remain Bendel Insurance. Bendel Insurance is a disciplined team who will not get to the provocative point to take the ball, throw out of the pitch, or even attack a fellow player on the pitch. How much more attacking the officiating referee? So over time, our customs, our tradition as a brand becomes what is known about us. And a breach of it, can I tell you this, that even an outsider will easily identify it. An outsider will easily identify a breach of the brand, because they know that that is not how Bendel Insurance or Edo Queens players will behave. We must keep Bendel Insurance glowing, winning, profiting, and maintaining relationships with a good brand. Thank you.